Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get my latest updates first. Hey guys, this is Kamlesh Swargam and welcome to my channel. Today we have with us Bolt Audio Airbus Power Buds, which also has a power bank in it. So in this video I will do the unboxing and review of Bolt Airbus Power Buds, and I will also show you the full tutorial of connection and touch gestures. So let's explore it. So here is our package, Power Buds. So this is the box. It comes with proper packaging. There is also a lot of tape on this. So let's cut this all. Yeah, so this is the actual box. So let's clear everything. So this is the actual box. In the front they have mentioned extra bass. This is from Bolt Audio Company. The model is Airbus Power Buds. So in the side we have Vicky Kaushal, the brand ambassador. Here we have Airbus Pro Pods. Here we have Kriti Sanan, she is also the brand ambassador, and here it is Bolt Audio. So behind they have given us some features. They say 120 hours playtime with the case. It has auto pairing, that is also known as wake and pair. It also has Google voice command, noise cancellation, call and music controls. It has Bluetooth 5.0 and both the earbuds are master earbuds. It has stereo calling and mic. So here they have given a seal. Let's open this. So here they have given us some other specifications. Now let's open the box. So now here they have given us an envelope kind of thing, and inside we have a user manual. And here we have a warranty card. They say win free movie tickets and free earphones. And then here we have accessories. So here we have got one more size of earbuds. And this is the type C to USB A charging cable. So actually many people have a confusion whether this is USB type C or micro USB. So here actually it is USB type C, and this is the actual earbuds case. So in this case here we have the charging slot. See, this is the type C type charging slot with which you charge the case, and here you have a USB A slot with which you can charge your phone. Yes, it's a power bank also. This is the front part of the case. This is the top part where they mention Bolt Audio, and behind there is nothing in the sides. So let's open the case. Wow, as soon as you open the case you have 3 indicators here, and I have taken blue color. So these are the blue earbuds. As you can see, they look pretty nice. So as soon as you close the case, it has a very good magnet. As soon as you open, you can see the lights here, shows the battery level, and here you have some plastic sheet so that the earbuds don't start charging. So first let's clear everything, then let's go into the video. So actually this case is a bit bulky. As you can see, it comes to the palm of my hand and it is really heavy, but as it has a power bank in it, so it's okay. And these are the earbuds. So you get a layer of plastic here. Just remove it. So here they have mentioned right, and this is earbuds. This has touch control here. So as soon as you keep it inside, you can see, right, this part is actually an LED. So you can see the light blinking, right? And this one also yeah. So now both are inside the case. So actually in the user manual they have given us all the instructions. Here is the setup, here is the product introduction, wearing style, on and off, and here is the battery charging. So behind they have given us the operation. This is the controls of the touch. So you have all these controls, and then you have how to reset your earbuds. You also have the specifications. So here the voltage is 3.7 volts. Capacity of each earbuds is 45 mAh. Capacity of the entire case is 2200 mAh. And the working time is 4.5 hours for earbuds. Charging time is 1.5 hours for both the earbuds, and for the case it is 3 hours. So these are the troubleshoots. If anything is there, you can refer here. That's it. So now let's go to the connection. first I've taken my phone, go to settings, make sure to on Bluetooth. I've switched it on and it is defaultly connecting to my previous earbuds, which I have done the review and unboxing. It is this one, Tag Liberty Air. If you haven't seen the video, click here. And also, yes, so actually this is a Xiaomi phone. I've converted this into iOS. If you haven't seen that video, click here. And so now let us remove our earbuds from the case. So this indicates that they have charged. Let us put them out. And now let us search. Yeah, so it shows us the name, Bolt Audio Airbus Powerbuds. So click on it. It's connecting and just allow. And so here you can see that they have got connected to our phone. See, it shows connected SBC. And it is also showing us the amount of battery left in the earbuds here beside the Bluetooth symbol. So this is the connection. Now let us try out the touch controls. So now let us check the touch controls. I'm opening YouTube and let's play a song here. So the song is playing in the earbuds. So now let's check the controls. This is the right earbud and this is the left earbud. So clicking one time on any of these will pause the song. So the song has got pause and also the response is quite fast. Let us click again and it is playing the song. You can hear the song. So now let us go to the next track. So double clicking on the right earbud goes to the next track and double clicking on left one goes to the previous. So let's go to the next track. Yeah, so it has gone to the next track. Now let's come back to the previous track. So it has come back to the previous track. Now let us adjust the volumes. Clicking on the any of the earbuds for 3 seconds. Clicking on the right earbud for 3 seconds increases the volume and clicking on left one decreases the volume. So let us decrease the volume first. 1, 2, 3. So it has reduced the volume in the earbuds. So now let's increase the volume. And next is answering and cutting of calls. So also if you press the touch control for 2 seconds, then the voice assistant gets activated. So let's go to the call and audio test. So basically you have two mics in this earbuds. So the mic is situated here. This dot is the mic. And you have a mic here also. And this is the touch area, the black part. And here there are 3 pins for charging. So now let's go to the call and audio test. So as you can see, I'm getting a call. So let's take any of the earbuds. Clicking one time will lift the call and double clicking will cut the call. So first let us lift the call. I've clicked and as you can see the call is answered. So here you get the Bluetooth symbol, that means you can hear here. And now let's cut the call. Single tap and the call is cut. Now let us try rejecting the call at the first time. As you can see, I'm getting a call. So now let's reject this call. You have to hold the button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. As you have seen, the call has got cut. Okay. I have personally tried out the call quality and the quality is really good. If you are in a silent environment, then your voice goes to the other person very clearly. But if you are in a little bit noisy area, as the mic is located far from your mouth, so there is a little bit disturbance, but still the other person can hear you very much clear as compared to other earbuds. So I have personally used Tag as well, and in this the other person can't hear you so clearly, but compared to Tag, Powerbuds are much better. So now let's go to the audio test. Let us play some music. So now the music is playing. Actually, I have heard the sound quality and it's really loud. But I'm trying, but I'm not able to make it clear for you. So I have put them in full volume, and as you can see, it is really loud. So now let us try to charge these earbuds. First you open the case, and these are 3 LED indicators here. So if all 3 lights are glowing at one time, it means the battery is above 70%. If 2 lights are glowing, then it is between 30 and 70, and if it is only 1 light, then it is less than 30. So now let us put the earbuds in the case. So blue flashing slowly indicates that they are getting charged, as you can see. So now the earbuds are getting charged, and this case acts as a power bank as well. So you can charge your phone with this, and you don't have to carry an external power bank with you. Let's try out this cool feature. So here I have my cable. First connecting it to my phone. Now let me connect it to my earbuds. Yeah, so it has fit in pretty well, and as soon as you put it, it doesn't start charging. Instead, when you open the cap of the case, it starts charging. So let's open and see, my phone is getting charged. So as how much ever time you keep the case open, that much time your phone will get charged. Now let us also try to charge the case. So actually the case size is 2200 mAh, and usually phone's capacity is 4000 mAh or more. So it may give you nearly half the battery, but I recommend you not using the case as power bank because it is better if you use it only for the earbuds charging. So it will give you more than a month's charging, and after that only you have to charge the case again. Now let us try to charge the case. This cable is really small. So here I have taken a power bank with me, I've connected it. Now let me connect it to this. Yeah, so it has got connected. As you can see, this part is the third light is blinking, which means it is still getting charged. So as it gets charged, then all the lights will be steady. So this is about it acting as a power bank. Now let's come to the charging lights of the earbuds. So these lights, when kept in the case, as you open this, when it is blue and when it is blinking, that time it is getting charged. And when you close the case, when you open it, like when both are charged, then the white light will be blinking or there will be no light. So this indicates that they are completely charged now. And also when the earbuds are getting charged, the middle light will be on. And also now let's come to the range. In the user manual they have mentioned 10 meters, that is 33 feet. But when I tested these earbuds, they come to nearly 9 meters, which is also a good range. When you go to 10 meters, you can hear, but the voice starts breaking. And also there is a very big confusion regarding the driver size. So after hearing the sound quality, I would tell that these have 9mm drivers and not 6mm. And also the best feature of this power buds is, as soon as you open the case, without taking the earbuds out from your case, they automatically get connected. See, now it is disconnected. As I open the case, it shows as soon as I open the case, the earbuds are still in and it shows connected. And as soon as you close the case, again it gets disconnected. See, it got disconnected. So now let's come to the review. So now let's come to the review of Bolt Audio Airbass Power Buds. These earbuds, they have touch control and they cost only 2,500 or 2,800, which is a really good feature at this price range. And also you get a 2,200 mAh power bank. I have seen other earbuds like Zouk Thunderbuds, which have 3200 mAh case, but it doesn't have a power bank. So this is a really good feature at this price range. And also you have Bluetooth 5.0, you have touch controls, and it has a 9mm driver. So I would recommend you people to buy this, as it is really good. It is very much better as compared to Tag Liberty Air, because these earbuds are nice but they have a button, and this thing has touch controls. The touch is really responsive, and also the sound quality is very good. You have crisp voice and the bass is really nice. The mids are also nice. So I would recommend you people to buy this. I will be using them for a few days, and then I will again put up one more video of later impressions. But for first impressions, these are really nice. And also one feature which I liked in this thing is it has a 2000 mAh case. So usually the only point where earbuds get spoiled is the charging slot. So you have to keep them charging every alternate day, and then the slot gets spoiled, and then you have to throw this because you can't repair them. But in this case, if you don't use it as a power bank, you'll get it for more than a month, which is really great. And they have told 4.5 hours of charge time of play time for the earbuds, and when I use them they come for up to 4 hours. So if you use it in 50% volume, you'll get it for more than 5 hours. And the call quality is also good, which you don't get in most of the earbuds at this range. So it is really nice. The only thing is the blue color is not so bright as it is in the images. So I would like people to buy black color, but if you still like this blue, then you can take it.